Here are some small garden decoration ideas. So like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon. Backyard patio furniture ideas for your home. Welcome to our YouTube channel 90 Action. So if you are new here or if you like these ideas, please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon in this video. Share to your friends and family members. Utilize vertical space by installing vertical garden walls or hanging planters. This not only adds greenery but also saves space. Create a magical ambience by turning fairy lights or having lanterns around your garden. They add a cozy feel and are perfect for evening gatherings. Get creative with dye garden ornaments such as a painted rocks, mosaic stepping stones, or upcycled patterns. These personalized touches and character to your garden. Define different areas of your garden with outdoor rugs. They not only add color and texture but also make the space feel more inviting. Arrange cozy seating areas with comfortable outdoor furniture like benches, hammocks, or lounge chairs. Add cushions and throw blankets for extra comfort. Craft water features like fountains, ponds, or a bird bath to create a tranquil atmosphere. The sound of flowing water adds a soothing element to your garden. Grow your own herbs in small containers or raised beds. Not only do that add beauty to your garden, but they also provide fresh ingredients for cooking. Visually interested with sculptures of status, they complement your garden theme. Choose a piece that reflects your personality and style. Set up an outdoor dining area with table and chairs where you can enjoy meals. Also, consider adding a shade, umbrella, or canopy for the sun protection. So that's all today's video. You can see garden ideas. So if you like these ideas, please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon. And this video share to your friends and family members. Thanks for watching.